Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Jimmy, and I will guide you in a relaxing Yoga Nidra meditation, which will lead you to a rejuvenation of mind, body, and spirit. You can stay awake, doze off halfway, or fall asleep into a nap after the instructions. Take a moment and find a comfortable position lying down. And adjust your body with your feet and arms in a restful position. Close your eyes and be still. Relax into trust and let go. Breathe in fully and exhale with a sigh. Breathe in again and let go even more. As we settle into this shape, trace the parts of your body which make contact with the ground or surface. Your feet, legs, hips, back, arms, hands, back of the skull. Feel the weight of your body on the ground and let it support you. Now, allow yourself to drop into that familiar, silent space where all struggle disappears. And greet any disturbances that arise with non-reactive awareness, and use it as a cue to go deeper. Now, direct your full attention to your breath, and use the breath to release any tension and allow it to flow smoothly and softly. Slowly deepen your inhalations and exhalations. And bring all your awareness to the expansion and contraction of your abdomen as you breathe deeply in and out. And with each exhalation, release any tension held in your body. Let go. Now, I'll introduce a breathwork technique. It's called box breathing. Inhale for 3 seconds, and then exhale for 3 seconds. And allow your breath to flow softly and smoothly. Now, inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 4 seconds. Continue this rhythm of breathing. At the end of your exhalation, there is a pause. Do you notice it? There's also a pause at the end of your inhalation. This is an invitation to gently hold your breath in this pause and count to 4. For example, breathe in for 4 seconds and hold your breath for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 4 seconds and then hold your breath for 4 seconds. Again and again. This is called box breathing. If you feel the need to gasp for air, back off a bit and focus on a smooth transition between your in-breath, the out-breath, and the pauses in between. Continue this breath work until instructed to stop. And let yourself become absorbed by the sound of your own breath. You feel more relaxed and peaceful with each breath. Stop counting and allow your breath to return to normal. Can you feel the pulsations and waves of energy in the body as a result of this breath work? Remember that energy grows with attention, and let your mind melt and meld with the river of energy flowing throughout your body. This is your true nature. And when your mind wanders, this is a place you can return to again and again. Follow my guidance as I guide you to move your awareness through different parts of the body. And as I guide you from point to point, the energy of your attention can activate these areas and release tension. Remain in silent awareness. Now, bring your undivided attention to the brow center, pit of the throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, left shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, middle of the chest, right side of chest, middle of the chest, left side of chest, middle of the chest, navel point, middle of the pubic bone, right hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, middle of the pubic bone, left hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, middle of the pubic bone, navel point, middle of the chest, pit of the throat, and back to the brow center. Rest all your awareness at the brow center. And allow whatever comes into your field of awareness to be present without judgment or needing to change anything. Witness any thinking, planning, or disturbances as it floats by like clouds in the sky. And then gently come back to the brow center. Allow yourself to merge into this space and be empty, empty of all doing. And when you notice your mind has wandered, this is an opportunity to be kind to yourself. And here is a fertile ground to plant the seeds of your intentions and affirmations. If you're unclear about your intention, just observe what appears in your field of awareness. If you have anxious tendencies or patterns you want to release, make this your intention. If you'd like to awaken rested from this meditation, make this your intention. Repeat your intention now 3 times. Know that your highest self already recognizes, honors, and accepts your intention. Trust it has been heard and you're being taken care of. There's no need for you to do anything else. Now, come back to the brow center and rest all your awareness here. Breath after breath. When your attention drifts away, notice it, let it go, and witness it as it floats by. This too shall pass. Gently come back to the brow center again and again. Begin to slowly lengthen your inhalations and exhalations. Now, gradually, if you wish, you can move as if you're awakening from a restful sleep. Bend one knee and then the other, and gently pull them closer to your chest. No need to hurry. And when you're ready, turn onto your right side and curl into a fetal position. Bring your intention into your awareness again. And give thanks to yourself for taking the time for self-care. Remain lying down, or if you wish, begin to sit up with your eyes closed and continue to stay in this deep inner experience. And regardless of what you might think has or hasn't changed, know that something deep within has shifted and is already connecting you with your intention. Take a breath and bring a deep sense of peace and contentment with you as you bring your awareness back to your body. Notice how relaxed the body is, how soft the breath is, how quiet the heartbeat is. And with gratitude, remember you can return here again and again.